Hello, my dear. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making Chive Stir Fry. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Stir frying is a traditional Chinese cooking technique in which mixed ingredients are fried in a small amount of cooking oil. This is perfect to fix a quick and homey meal with well-balanced veggies and proteins. The chive I'm using is the yellow chive, which has a more tender texture than the green ones and is one of my favorite vegetables. In addition to stir frying, we can make chive dumplings, noodles, or soup. It tastes great with any proteins: shrimp, tofu, egg, pork, lamb, or beef. Depending on where you live, sometimes the yellow chive is hard to find, then substitute with the green chive is perfectly fine. Let's start. Clean the chive and chop into 1-inch long segments. Put aside. Next, cut the chicken tender into thin slices about 1 to 2 millimeters thin. Then shred the slices. Put the tender into a bowl. Add light soy sauce and gently massage until the soy sauce is fully absorbed. Add 1 teaspoon of starch, mix well. Crack 4 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking wine to the eggs and mix well. This not only adds taste to the egg, but makes the fried eggs more tender and juicier. In a pan with 4 tablespoons of heated oil, on high heat, add the egg mixture in. Rinse the bowl with a teeny bit water to pick up on the leftover egg mixture to avoid waste. Stir fry for about 1 minute until the eggs are solid. Then shovel the eggs out and put aside. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Let's stir fry the chicken tender. Quickly stir to separate the tenders. Stir and toss until the meat turns solid white. Add the eggs back in and stir for about 30 seconds. Add salt. Keep stirring for about 5 or 6 times. put the chives in. Stir and toss again until the chive gets soft. This typically takes less than 1 minute. Do not overcook. Add a pinch of salt and quickly mix. Turn off the heat. The dish is ready. Combine it with a cup of white or brown rice. A perfect homey meal is right in front of us. Enjoy. Well, good to have you. I hope you enjoyed this episode and check out the other videos in my channel. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.